Hello, today I want to show you something amazing. It is an OpenAI client for plain Commodore 64 written 100% in Microsoft Primitive Basic V2. No tricks here, just plain Commodore 64, plain Basic V2, and a Meatloaf. You can find the basic source code used for this client in the link in the description. By the way, if you don't know, Meatloaf is IC disk drive that allows opening any URL as if it was just a file on a diskette. Accessing the internet this way on a Commodore 64 makes just so much more sense than using a network card and a primitive TCP stack. In the right window, you can see screen capture from Ultimate 64 connected to Meatloaf as a drive 8. In the left window, you can see Olama log running on my local machine. When Commodore 64 makes a request to OpenAI API, you will surely see a new entry there. Let me show you. The whole process is very slow and a very long LLM response may still hog our poor Commodore, but maybe we can get lucky with a simple question like this one. Now all we have to do is wait a bit. And here we are, just showing the pure genius of IEC protocol. I bet your lousy cycle accurate 1541 disk drive can't do that.